Hello, I'm Akira. The second reason that I quit the manager's job at a barbecue restaurant and opened up VegiLicious was I wanted to share more food to people in the third world who are suffering from hunger. In rich countries, people consume a lot of meat. In order to produce meat, they give a lot of grains to cows, pigs, and chickens. In order to produce 1 pound of meat, they feed 8 pounds of grains in average. For beef, they feed 11 pounds of grains. For premium beef, such as Kobe beef, they feed 27 pounds of grains in order to produce only 1 pound of meat. If people cut down meat, we can save a lot of grains. I established VegiLicious and provide vegan meals. And if 100 people or 200 people come down here and have a vegan meal instead of a regular meal containing meat, we can save tons of grains that can be shared with people starving in the world. So we can share more food to those people in the world. So we can contribute to more lives and happiness, even though we don't know those people, but we can share with the world. Thank you for watching.